Okay, so today we're going to be doing, if we take a look at our, what is it? Here for our music. Ideally, instead of playing one track and looping that one track, we want to pick a random song, and when the song's over, pick another random song. So we've got this random song index. We don't really want to set looping to true though. We just want to play each random song. So here are our sounds. We've got 1 through 11 for our loop tracks. And we want to say we've got this music played gets false here in our init, or in our load. Yeah, in our load we say, hey, music played is false. And then, see, where is this random song index? There we go, math.random. Okay. So, this is the equivalent of saying, you know, get the index, get a random number between 1 and 11, and that'll play. Actually, I took those songs off because when I loaded them all, it took a couple extra seconds to boot, and I was developing, so I didn't want to waste that time waiting. So we're setting music played to false. Then in our update function, here's our update function, we're saying, hey, if not music played, then why don't we play our random index. I do want to set the volume of it too, so I'll just say we want this. Really? Okay, we want this through the colon. Yank it, paste it. I really should have just typed it at this point. Okay, so we're setting the volume of our random song index to 0.1, and then we are playing that random index, and then we are setting music played equal to true, so that we only do this once. But the thing is, how do we know when the song is over so that we can loop it? Is there like a if this sound is playing function? Love 2D is sound playing. So like in normal Lua, in normal Love 2D, Look at this, is playing. In normal Love 2D, you can't play the same sound unless that sound is not playing, but we implemented the slam library that lets us play multiple sound playables at the same time. So we have to figure out something. I think this, yeah, if not source is playing, I want to see this. Source is playing. So source is the new audio. So, or the actual source. So we're running the isPlaying function on that. Okay. So I think we can do something like, I think we can say, after this, we need to check to see whether or not we need to loop the next sound. So we're going to be saying, if now random song index, okay, sounds at shit. So yeah, our source audios are our source playables are these strings 1 through 11. So we need to see our random number would still be the first random index. So we need to see if the sounds at our random song index is playing. And we want to assign a new random song index if we are not. So we would say if not sound at our random index, that's our current song, is playing. If we are no longer playing, then we actually want to, nope. We want to say, we want to assign a new random index. So we could say this. We would set our song index to be another random number, and we would set music played to be false, because we haven't actually played the music yet. And then on the next loop, music played will be false, so it'll go ahead and set the volume and play the new random song index. So this should work, hopefully. And we're going to be saying music played gets this point. So as long as this is playing is still working in Love. 126. Right here. Sounds at random. Oh, we need to convert this to a string. Actually, why do we gotta do that? Well, our random song index is an integer, and our table of playables are actually strings, so we do need to convert it to a string, so that makes sense. So now, is playing. this is playing isn't working like Lua told me. Above 2D is colon is playing. We run it on the source. Is playing. We run it on the source. The source is a sounds table that we're indexing at the string of random song index. And we are in fact setting our random song index. Right? Yeah, right here. Well, this is playing is just not working. Colon is playing. Is that the right usage? Oh, come on. None of my shortcuts are working. What the heck? I can't unminimize this thing. Is playing. Look, only to have it return. His pause is stopped. If the song is not stopped and it is not paused, then it is played. Okay, well we don't pause it, so we need to say is stopped. So we'd go here and we'd say is stopped. We'd go. Okay, let me try this again. We go is stopped. Is stopped. Huh. Dude, what? Why did that do that? We really don't have those functions. Look at, say is playing. Is playing. This is saying it doesn't work on Linux, but that's, I don't know if that's... Dude, yeah, he is playing. That's what everyone says. Oh, God. It really does. It really does say in the documentation, source is playing. Camel case. And it's in... and is stopped. Is stopped, man. It's got is stopped. But we're not able to run it for some reason. Is stopped and is playing. Two string sounds. Table. Yeah, I should be right. See, and we play it right here. Oh, we need to say no. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see our other sounds. We can't run that on anything. Our sounds. Kind of curious if we do a... want to give us a variable instead of a table with an index. Let's see if that helps us. We can say test sound. What? Okay. Now, test sound. The variable is now a new source playable, so we can go ahead and try that. I'm just going to say we say our test sound play, and then we're going to say if not What is happening there? If not, test sound, colon is playing. Would running it... Nope. Dude. Yeah, that is playing, it's just not working at all. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. Because we need to be able to detect whether a song is playing in order to play the next song or not. See, look at that boot time. Okay. I have no idea how to loop this if we can't detect when a song's not playing, because they're all different lengths. I mean, what love am I even in? Am I in love 11? How do I check which love I'm in? In main.lua we can do this. So I guess let's try this. We're in main.lua. I'm gonna go ahead and add, not that. Come on. Whatever, man. Just do it. I don't see it printed up. Probably because we've got to do it in our render function. So the last thing we'll render is our love version. Still not seeing it. This should be it. Still don't see it. I don't see it. My only guess is that we're not in Love 11, but it's not working to show it. How do I know which love I'm on? I mean, I downloaded it from here, right? I downloaded it right here with Ubuntu. No, I downloaded it. See, look, 11.4. We should be on like 11.4 because that's what I downloaded. Well, actually, you know what? I did. Yeah, I pulled it from APT repository. How do you see what it is? Damn it. Well, what is it then? .4, 11.4. Yeah, we're love 11.4. So our program, our function should be we've got available since isPlaying is not working for some reason. I think I'm gonna try it on my Mac. On mine set. And my Mac's dead. Someone said it wasn't working on Linux, and I'm on Linux, so I don't know if that's a Linux problem or what, but I don't know how to fix this. We need a way to be able to tell it's playing. I think Slam might be messing with it. Yeah, Slam might be messing with it. Really, man? Let me see if... Get volume. Get volume. Maybe get volume will work, because if it's not playing, the volume will be 0. So let's try that. Okay, so we're gonna say if hold on. How do you even do that? Why would... Oh, come on, man. Not what I wanted. Older methods is get volume. But what does get volume do? Like, will it return a 0 if it's not playing? God damn it. I think Slam is messing with it, but I don't know how to check that for sure. I'm gonna say if sounds at our table of an index that we convert to a string of our random song index, get volume is 0. So if our volume is not playing, then let me just see if we crash there. Yep. Come on. We don't crash, we don't crash. So now the question is, do we really do a get volume? I'm gonna turn this up so we can hear better. So if our song's volume is 0, meaning our song is ended, then we would want to get a new random song index. So we would say random song index gets a math.random number between 1 and 11. And we would say music played gets false. So that by the next time, the next game loop were not played, so it would play the new random song index. Let's hear. We got to listen to see if this song loops or if it's a different song. If it's a different song, we're in business. They're all different lengths, anywhere from like 1 minute to 3 minutes, I think. Here we go. It just ended. Maybe it didn't. Maybe that's the end of the song. I don't know. It might have worked. I think it worked. I think it looped. I mean, looped, picked a new song. There's a small chance, 1 in 11 chance that it plays the same song back to back. But it's whatever. If we did this right, it'll just keep playing 11 lute songs randomly forever. Lute song over. Doesn't seem to be playing another one. thought that was it. Damn it, I thought that was it. Maybe we don't do a get 0. I don't know. Oh god, okay, so what's happening there? Well, get volume returns true. So what if we say if not get volume? It doesn't really make a lot of sense to say that, but that might just be how that works. Okay, so try this one more time. We'll hear the song play out. Okay, listen for loop. I don't think it's picking a new one. I don't know. The only thing I've got is to print up whatever this function is spitting out. So we're going to say on our debug option 1, at the very end, nope. we say to string, and the thing we need to convert to a string is the output of our function running on our sounds table, and the sounds table at the index of our random song index converted to a string with get volume ran on it. And we'll do it at the next line. Now, I also want to turn off our winning games so those don't get in the way. Get volume a nil value. What does it do? What does it do then? What does that function do, man? To string, random song index. God damn it. So let's just take this out for now so I can read it. Sounds at the table index of our random song index. Here, we need a, we've got it. Fuck. Get volume. Look, get volume 05. So, I'm gonna see what happens by the time the song ends and see if it changes. So we're gonna keep an eye on this, see if that changes by the time the song is over. It looks like it does return a string of the number value, which is weird. I thought we'd have to convert that. Then we might, since we were testing for equality for an integer 0, it wasn't working, but maybe it was a string 0, as if we're seeing here. So maybe that's all we need to change, but let's see. I'm hoping this will turn to 0 by the time the song's over. And if it is, then maybe we just have to test for equality with a string instead of an int. It stays at 0.5. It it doesn't get set to 0. Fuck. It stays at 5. God damn it. Damn, man. Damn, 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 damn. isPlaying, that's all they say, man. isPlaying. Maybe we don't. We crash. I don't know why isPlaying is not working. I'm gonna test this on my laptop tomorrow, on my Mac laptop, and see if it's a Linux thing, or see if I can't figure out if I can get that function to be working or what, but it's just not happening today. Unfortunately. We didn't do much and it's still broke, but that's okay. We tried. Well, I'll be back tomorrow and we will see if we can figure this out.